Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the icons in CSS. Icons are simply added to your HTML page by using the icon library. It is the simplest way of doing that. So we have a icon library, Font Awesome. We're gonna learn how can we use the icon from there. Okay, if you want to use the icon from Font Awesome, first of all you have to go to the Font Awesome website. Alright, then you have to click on the start for free. Then you have to give your email address and they will give you a confirmation link on your email. So you have to click on that link and you will get to see this web page, and in this web page you have your kit code of your Font Awesome icons. Alright, so you have to copy this. Now what you need to do, you have to use the head in your HTML document and you have to paste that here. Okay, that's it. Now you can use the icon in any inline element. So you can use it with you can also use it with the span, because both of them are the inline elements, but for now I just want to go with the I element. Alright, and now how can we use that? So let's just go to this page and you would probably see how can we use this thing. Alright, so this is how you can do it. In you have to give it a class, and in class whatever name you want to use. I just want to use a truck for now, and we have to give it the style. We also have to provide it a style. Alright, so let me just save it. Yeah, it is working. So there are the 4 different style of your icon. FAS for the solid, FAR for the regular, FAL for the light, and FAD for duotone. Okay, but if you want to go with the extra small, you will write the X and S. So this is how it works. And if you also want to change the color, you can change its color. Okay, for example, I want to change the color to the yellow, then you would have to use the style property, and in style property you're gonna use the color property where you're gonna give it a color, save it and run it again. So this is how you can give color to your icon. And one more thing here, what if you want to rotate it? You can also rotate it. So for that you will write FA dot, for example, I want to rotate it to 90 angle. You have to write FA dot rotate 90. Okay, so let me just run it again, and it will rotate your icon to the 90 angle. But now I want to spin it. So for spinning you just have to simply spin, run it again, it is spinning. So this is how it works. And we also have the pulse, so you can use it a pulse. So this is how it kind of pulsing. Okay, so this is how you can use the Font Awesome icons, and you can customize them according to your need. Let me just use another icon here, but I just have to change its name. Now I just want to use skull. So for skull I just have to write skull here. Now you can say we have the skull and we have the trunk monster, spin. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.